Alright, everybody. So, today we are going to be reviewing the Flagship V1 mod. This guy right here. I'm doing this because when I first got this mod, there wasn't any, if maybe one video that reviewed this guy. There's not a lot of people who do mechanical mod reviews, mostly just reviews on box mods, regulated devices, temp control, all that stuff. So today we're gonna be reviewing it just a little bit. I know I'm doing this video for my truck. I'm just sitting here waiting for work to start. So let's take a look at it. See, I got the copper version, and it is authentic. I've got my number right there, and it does have that cool little ship down at the bottom. But overall, it's a good device. Everything's copper, even the connections down at the bottom. We've got the little pin there for firing, and it's all copper connections. What I do like about this thing is the button itself is spring-loaded. It's a very kind of tough button, I guess you could say. So if you do set it down like on, anything, it's not going to just push, it's not going to fire off in your pocket. It takes a single 18650. I am rocking, I believe, the MXJO right now with my Twisted Messes RDA with a 0.3 build. So we can see how she gives off some vapor, and we'll see what she does. It's very nice because with the copper connections, it just makes a solid connection. You do sometimes on that little pin down there, if you grab, it'll get, from touching the battery so often, it gets a little like gunked up, I guess you could say. You just take like a sanding block and just kind of like clean it off a little bit, and it hits even better. I actually need to do that myself. Don't take like full-blown sandpaper, because you're just going to start scraping away at the connection, and it's just not going to be very good. But there's also, at the top here, connection right there as well, with the insulator ring and all that stuff. You can give that a little sand down as well. Again, like I said, I need to redo mine. And the pin is a little bit adjustable for, depending on what kind of RDA you have or stuff like that. And if you're a seasoned vapor, you know better than to put a tank on there. So it's overall a good mod. I think I bought mine, I want to say 2-3 months ago for around I think it was like $90. It's not very expensive, and it's hands down one of the best mods I've ever had. It's durable. It's very durable. I think I've dropped it like 4 or 5 times, and it not even a decent scratch on it. You can polish them up, depending on the vape store, vape shop you go to. They can polish them for you, or you can use what I've heard, ketchup. Some people will use just regular like brass polish. That's up to you. I just like to go to the shop and get it done. The stuff that they work with doesn't leave like a film or anything on it. I know one guy on my Instagram account has told me that he polished it with some brass polish, and it actually left a film that every time he went to go vape, he could feel it off. Kind of felt like he spilled e-juice all over it. But overall, it's a good mod, guys. If you like this video, there's going to be tons more. I'm just now starting out doing this stuff. I'm going to see if I can go ahead and try and put a link to my Instagram account down below. If not, just look me up. It's at McNet100. Go ahead and like all my stuff if that's what you do. But go ahead and like and subscribe. If you guys have any other ideas for reviews, just go ahead and let me know, and I'll see if I can get to it. But just tell me what you think, and then go ahead and subscribe. Thanks, guys.